host. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of making money on YouTube in 2023. If you've ever wondered how YouTubers earn a living, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Finding your niche. The first step in making money on YouTube is finding your niche, or the specific topic you want to focus on. Start by doing some research and identifying areas that you're passionate about or have expertise in. This will help you create content that resonates with your target audience. Step 2. Creating quality content. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment, such as a decent camera and microphone, to ensure your videos are visually appealing and have great audio quality. Additionally, learn some basic video editing skills to enhance your content before uploading it on YouTube. Step 3. Optimizing your channel for growth. To maximize your channel's potential, it's crucial to optimize it for growth. This includes creating an engaging channel banner, writing an appealing channel description, and using relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions. Make sure to also add custom thumbnails to your videos to attract more viewers. Step 4. Building an engaged community. Building a loyal and engaged community is a vital aspect of succeeding on YouTube. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your viewers through live streams or Q&A sessions. This not only helps you gain more subscribers, but also creates a sense of connection with your audience. Step 5. Monetization and revenue streams. Once you've met the eligibility criteria, you can monetize your videos and start earning revenue. YouTube offers various monetization options, including ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and channel memberships. Explore these options and find what works best for your channel. Step 6. Promoting your content. Sharing your content on other platforms is a great way to boost your channel's visibility. Promote your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and use search engine optimization techniques to increase your chances of showing up in relevant searches. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to make money on YouTube in 2023. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistency. Keep creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring different revenue streams. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on becoming a successful YouTuber. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.